Okay, this is the correct layout for the uln to remote board. Okay, that's A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus. That's the outputs from the remote control to the driver board. The motor is a 28byj-48. Oops, excuse me. The driver board is the uln2003, which came with the motor. In 1 is B minus. In 2, A minus. In 3 is B plus. In 4 is A plus. And the result is, bring some light back over. Sorry about the camera shake. Give it a little speed. It will run quite happily in both directions. Okay, dokie. Thank you very much. That's a simple solution to a nice little problem I have. Bye bye.